burger like this. Got a hole in it. Got a rat? Was you chewing on this motherfucker?
That nigga stupid. Are you recording? Oh, this nigga recording everything.
Got it.
How'd you get that nigga the burger, cuz?
That nigga eating that shit cold, too.
Cold to the motherfucker. Anthrax. Hey, this the last time y'all see my nigga. This is V-Nut. This is the nigga that I got tatted on because nigga got killed from salmonella. It's cold Manila. Eating cold burgers from Missouri and shit. How you gonna eat a burger from Missouri and we in Oklahoma? How you gonna...
Shit don't even...
This nigga brought a burger from a different state. Nigga, and it's a Sonic right there. How cheap is that?
I'm gonna be sick? I got papers so I ain't infected.
Movie point. Ladies, this nigga finna get y'all. Now finna, that nigga put this shit in. The bitch gonna cough instantly. He gonna be like, girl, you gonna feel this shit.
Got that right now. Got that right now.
And nigga put the shit in. That bitch gonna be like, oh, that shit feel... That shit feel good. Damn, your thing is... What the fuck wrong with you, Vernon? I think it was that burger from Missouri that I brought back to Oklahoma City.
It's not how it spreads.
That's why I said you have to heat it up. That's why I said you can have that out.
Who knows how AIDS spreads? Scientists don't even know how AIDS spreads.
For monkeys.
These motherfucking nuts, nigga.
Who fucks monkeys and people?
These nuts don't, but these nuts, nigga. Hey, if y'all niggas don't know what we talk about on YouTube,
we gonna let
this
them
is
know.
for the world. Nah, cause these niggas gonna be jocking.
I got a family. Huh?
That old lady?
Nah, that lady on thing.
Hey, anytime that y'all niggas say that WH and then that yeah, I'm saying these nuts. I got that from my nigga Snoop Dogg. And they called that girl on the phone. He was like, hey girl, shit, they been asking about you. And the girl was like, no. And he was like, these nuts. I do that shit to everybody. Nigga, everybody need to take a pee, nigga. But I'm first. I've been holding my
selfish.
Hey, go with that damn selfish shit. I am not selfish.
Remember DK called you that first, remember?
Hell, that dude was going hard on me, nigga. Something about, I think it was at the show.
Yeah, just selfish.